untuk convert from DWG file to STL file. Okay, this is an example drawing, 3D drawing, and you want to convert this file DWG to STL file. So how to do is click this button, okay, the logo Autodesk, click it, and not to click, just move your cursor to this publish, and then it will pop up the share drawing, and click this send to 3D print service. You click it, and this is pop-up window. Just click continue, and then the command says ask for select solids or watertight meshes. So on your keyboard, click on your keyboard, click Control A and then enter. Okay, and click again the logo, and then move your cursor to publish, not to click, and then send to 3D print service, and then continue, and it will pop up this 3D printing option. You can at this output dimension, you can rescale your size drawing based on what you want to print. Okay, like the example, to decrease the length, or you want to decrease the width, or either one. Okay, just click OK. If you do so, just click OK, and then save your file to STL. Okay, that's it.